Hi guys, yeah, it's Wong J Music, and I'm glad to announce the very big good news. Yeah, I'm glad to announce that my beginner's course is going to be out first week of January, and the theme is Beginner's Guide to Understanding the Piano, and it comprises of a lot. How you know a little dive into music theory, how chords are formed, how you can play all keys, how you can score, approach a song, how you can find keys by ear. A lot of it's a whole lot of package. You shouldn't afford to skip this one. Yeah, and I'm going to be doing. Its course is actually going for 30K, but I'm going to be doing a discount on this course now, 30K naira, not dollars. Before I'm going to be doing a discount, 50% discount. Course is going to be dropping first week of January. I'm going to be doing a 50% discount. That means it's 15,000 naira, 1,000 naira. That cheap. So for those that are going to pay through dollars, it's over $9-10 thereabouts. Yeah. So this is actually my little way of saying thank you all my subscribers and followers on Instagram, on YouTube especially my YouTube guys. God bless you guys. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for sharing, for commenting, and for following. It's really been an amazing journey so far, and I really appreciate it. And I'll be so glad to be a tutor. So make sure you don't skip this one. It's so cheap, and it's the discount is going to be ending. Discount is going to be ending in the month of January. So make sure, that's what I'm saying now, so that you get it now. You get your money now, sorry. So first week of January, immediately it gets out, you can link will be out, you can make payments and you get access to the files. So stay tuned. It's really going to be massive. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you all. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. God bless you guys. So let's get right into the lesson for today. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we're looking at a series, right? Which is what the crazy gospel passing chords. And the last thing we treated was something like this. Yeah. So yeah. So now, I would want to treat a passing chord that can take you from your three to your two. So instead of just 3 2, you have 3 flat 3 then 2. So I think someone asked me why I played in Superman on one of my videos, and then also someone asked, I think someone has talked to me about how I played Ifunaya, baby mo. So I did that on the key on F, or the key of F, sorry. Baby mo, you might not know you come. Ifunaya, no fool. So now, that's it. So shout out to Ekene Dirichukwu. Sabo Nwoke, shout out to the boss. He, did this stuff. Yeah, so you guys, if you guys have listened to, I am in different experience and different places, you hear him do this stuff. So yeah, so that's the pass. So, but you have ruthless voicings now. So yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So now let me break that down. The first chord is for your 3 is this ruthless. I'm going to show you guys 2 ways how I do it. This is one. This is how he does it, but there's a way I approach it too, and I'll show that. So first chord, on your left hand you have G, B, C, and E. On your right hand you can do the same thing. Yeah. So you can still do. Yeah. So what it is, I have this. Next chord, you move it chromatic up. So next one, you have F sharp, E flat. Sorry, F sharp, B flat, B, and E flat. Next one, you have your normal B. You can just. So next one, you bring it now, which is your 4, your 2 rather. Right? So you can see it. So F, E, and B flat, and B, and D rather. So let's do it now in the song. So baby more, oh, man, I love you. Oh. Now. Yeah, and then this stuff. So I did not just do. I did. So see this low, yeah. So now let me show you how I do mine now. So same movement on your left hand, but now I am doing. So instead of, so I do. So I have rootless voicings to this. So I have, but here I have a G instead of a C now. So G over C major 7th, F sharp over B major 7th, then F over B flat major 7th. So I'll do that again. I don't have a particular structure for that. I can just pick it anywhere, but just know that. So I can just make it chromatic from here. So sorry. So you can be playing stuff like you can. Then so that's everything for this lesson. So let's just do a brief recap from the first one. Just do it quickly. So second one, sorry, third one, or so y'all stay blessed. Shalom, peace.